Hello everyone, how are y'all doing? I've got some new subscribers, so I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Velvet. My middle name is Celieste. Yep, you heard it, Velvet Celieste. That's my stage name. So today we're going to talk about a palette I bought off of Hush because Hush is just my most favorite site. I bought this palette a while back. It is the Wild palette. And when I unboxed it, I was so shocked. It is velvet. I mean, it is, these zebra stripes are velvet. And I love that it's sort of ombre with jewel tones. I don't know. I love texture. I really do. It's beautiful. The colors are beautiful. Now, I've played with it. I've worn it several times. Oh, so it's got a mirror. Ooh, mirror. Big mirror. Flip it back. The colors are so beautiful and it's messy. That's what I have on my eyes today. I did an ombre look with it. I'm gonna get close. I'm not a model, just showing you. If you'd like to know how to do that, we can do a tutorial on it later. It's really, people with hooded eyes can do like this ombre look. You can, it's possible. You just have to go about it different. I also tried to ombre my lips. Didn't go as good, but I love the color. And anyway, I want to swatch these. And I wore long sleeves. Ding dong. So I'm going to roll them up. I got the shirt for Christmas. I haven't worn it yet. And I wanted to wear it. It is so pretty. My mom gave it to me. We're going to start with the top and go across. So it has 24 shades. Mostly jewel tone. Some colors will fool you, like this color right here. You think it's white. It's not white. We'll see what it is when we get there. Okay, so this first color is, I'll go in the back of my hand, Sensation. It's a matte. The next color is a gold, I'm going to call it a glitter. And it's called Bang. This palette is by Face Candy. Face Candy, am I right? Yes, Face Candy. I don't know why I want to call it Hard Candy. Hard Candy Christmas by Dolly Parton, I guess. That's a really pretty color. I haven't used it yet. The next color is Misty, and it is green with gold, micro gold glitter, and glitter gets everywhere. So I suggest, some of these need building up. So I'm going to swatch again because I had to build up the inner eye today. But that's still pretty, but I'm going to tell you, the micro glitter, I suggest that you powder under your eyes very well, because you will have glitter all over your face while using these colors. Okay, and the next one is Uproar. And I think it's purple. Part of me thinks it's blue. See, I don't know. Is it blue or is it purple? Maybe purple. The next one is called Reckless. It's definitely brown with multicolored glitter. The next shade is called Riot. That's the last of my little use. That's a very pretty color. I think it's going to be like a dual color because it's definitely brown, but you can see some purple undertones in that. So that's the first row. The next row starts off with a matte, and it's called Whirl, and it is a very pale pink. though I usually don't set my eyeshadow primer. I don't normally set it because I want my stuff to show up good. But I didn't want this to transfer very much. Because you have hooded eyes, it's going to transfer. So I did put this down all over on top of my eye primer. And it's very pale. Yeah, I couldn't tell I did anything with it. The next color is called Snap, and that's what I have up here. Not my crease, but what I make as my crease. And it's very pretty. I used a very light hand with a very light stroke. As you can see how dark it is. It's very pretty on the eye though. And then this is called Rough, and it is a olive green, and I'm not really sure it has, it's just a shimmer. And there you go. I'm going to do it again because my finger slipped. There you go, that's it. Okay, the next one is a purple, and it's called Havoc. This is on the outer corner of my eye. Right here. And I fluffed it into the crease. The next one is called Raw, and it is a pretty, sort of a blood burgundy, I say. Oh, it doesn't look that way on though. How pretty is that? I could have used that as my middle shade, though I didn't. Looks like I did. I did not though. So the next one is called, which is me on most days, a hot mess. My hair is a hot mess. It ain't today. It is in the back if you could see it. Hot mess. Oh, it's a little flaky. That is a pretty color. I don't mind a little kick up. And I'm going to tell you why. Because I just dip my brush or my finger or whatever I'm using back into whatever kicked up. So the next color is called Trouble, and it is a very pale light brown. So that's it. The next color that looks white when I showed it to you is called Rebellion. It's not white when you get it on. It is my highlight color, and I don't know. I'm trying to show you. It's not. It definitely is golden. There, I think you can see it there. The next color is Chaos. This, I had to work with this color to build it up. And I'm going to try to do the same here. It really is very light. So the next color is called Untamed. I'll swatch it with my little finger. That's it. The next color is what I have in the middle of my eye. It's called Nasty. And so the next one I haven't used, and it's called Strife. It is the most beautiful silver. I've been thinking about getting me some of that NYX that you can mix so you can make it a different medium to try to do that little line. Did you see? I want to do it. This, I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know how it swatches. That's it right there. Oh, you can't see it. on my elbow. There we go. I was hoping we could get all of them on my arm, but we still have one more row. But anyway, that's the first 3 rows. They're very pretty. So the next one is a very dark brown called Taboo. Yep. The next one is called Jagged. And it is a beige with multicolored glitter. I don't know if you can see the multicolored glitter. It doesn't come off well onto the screen. So the next color is called Off Blue, and it is beautiful. I haven't used it, but I wanted to today, but it didn't go with what my idea was. So that's pretty. Seems a little patchy, but I think you can work with it. The next color is called Disorder, and it is a green shimmer. Looks better in the pan. I'm not a fan of green. It's probably not a color I will ever wear. And here is a silver that is very glittery. Very pretty. Well, you can see the flakes of silver in it. And you can in that green too. I don't know why you couldn't in this color right here. And the next one, of course, Anarchy. And you know, you can't have a good palette if it doesn't have black. So I hope it is a deep black, because the last few ones I got turned a little gray. Yeah, gray. Oh yeah, black. So here are the colors of the Wild palette. I think it is the most beautiful palette, and I have just trashed it with playing in the colors. I want to show it to you again, and I'm going to tell you, I was not looking for a dupe when I ordered it. A lot of times I'm on the internet looking for a dupe for whatever palette I want that I'm not going to pay the money for. This was not one of them. I truly loved this palette when I seen it. I bought it. And after it came in, it started looking very familiar to me. I'll get back because I'm right up on the camera, so because I wanted y'all to see my eyes. It looked very familiar. Does it look familiar to you guys at all? I think it's a dupe for Kat Von D's Saint and Center palette. I believe it is. Not sure. I don't have that palette. But when I was looking at the colors, while just playing with it, I was like, these colors are familiar. So I pulled up Kat Von D's palette. I think they're all the same colors. I'm pretty sure they are. Y'all check it out and see what you think. Comment down below if you think it's a dupe or not. I had seen somebody that I watch, 90s Love Child. Hey girl, I had seen her do a review. Went back to it. I was like, yep, they're the same colors. So tell me what you think down in the comments. If you like this video, click like, share it, subscribe. I love you. And I appreciate all of my new subscribers. Thank y'all so much. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.